Hi guys. So today I'm just walking in the woods. My mind was a little bit stuck this morning, so one of my friends like advised me to just go out, take a hike by myself and go out in nature. And I think one one of the things that's so relevant to live a remarkable life is to surround yourself with nature as much as you can, because I'm getting so much clarity and inspiration by just walking out and listening to the birds and looking at the clear sky and smelling the fresh air and just not be surrounded by four walls. So I love it. It's like there's something timeless to just walking in the forest and not hearing any cars or stepping out of normal civilization. And I love it. And that's what I wanted to share. So look at the view. Okay, bye.